Hello friends. Welcome to Anhad channel, where we simplify difficult concepts in accounts, finance, banking, insurance and economics. Our topic for today is blockchain. Let us first start with its definition. Blockchain is a distributed digital ledger technology that records transactions securely, transparently, and permanently across a network of computers. Instead of storing data in a central location, blockchain maintains identical copies of the ledger on multiple computers, making it highly secure and resistant to fraud or unauthorized modifications. It ensures transparency, security, and immutability. A distributed digital ledger technology, DLT, is a system for recording and sharing transaction data across multiple computers, called nodes, in a network, instead of storing it in a single central database. It stores identical copies of a digital ledger on multiple computers connected through a network. Every participant has access to the same updated records, making the system secure, transparent, and resistant to tampering. Understanding the term. Distributed, the ledger is stored on many computers across the network, not on a single central server. Digital, all records are maintained electronically. Ledger, a ledger is a book or database that records transactions. Technology, it uses cryptography, networking, and consensus mechanisms to maintain accurate and secure records. Example. Suppose 5 banks share a distributed ledger. Customer A transfers 50,000 rupee to customer B. Instead of only one bank updating its records, all 5 banks receive and verify the transaction. Once approved, every bank's ledger is updated with the same information. Since everyone has an identical copy, altering the record at one bank will not change the records stored by the others. Originally developed as the underlying technology for Bitcoin in 2008, blockchain has evolved into a powerful technology with applications in finance, healthcare, supply chain management, insurance, government, and many other industries. Let us now discuss how blockchain works or its steps. 1. A user initiates a transaction. 2. The transaction is broadcast to the blockchain network. 3. Network participants, called nodes, verify the transaction using a consensus mechanism. 4. Once verified, the transaction is grouped with other transactions into a block. 5. The new block is cryptographically linked to the previous block, forming a chain of blocks. 6. The updated blockchain is shared across all participating nodes, making the transaction permanent and tamper-resistant. Key components of blockchain are 1. Block. A block is a container that stores transaction data along with a timestamp and the cryptographic hash of the previous block. 2. Chain. Blocks are connected sequentially to form a chain, ensuring that every new block is linked to the previous one. 3. Nodes. Nodes are computers connected to the blockchain network that validate, store, and distribute blockchain data. 4. Hash. A hash is a unique digital fingerprint generated using cryptographic algorithms. Any change in the data results in a completely different hash, helping detect tampering. 5. Consensus mechanism. Consensus mechanisms ensure that all participants agree on the validity of transactions before they are added to the blockchain. Examples include Proof of Work, POW. Proof of Work, POW, is a consensus mechanism in which computers called miners compete to solve complex mathematical puzzles. The first miner to solve the puzzle earns the right to add the next block to the blockchain and receives a reward. Proof of Stake, POS. Proof of Stake, POS, is a consensus mechanism in which participants called validators are selected to validate transactions and create new blocks based on the amount of cryptocurrency they have staked, locked, in the network. 6. Smart contracts. Smart contracts are self-executing digital agreements that automatically perform predefined actions when specified conditions are met. Our next topic is characteristics of blockchain. 1. Decentralized. Blockchain operates without a central authority. Control is shared among multiple participants in the network, reducing single points of failure. 2. Distributed ledger. A copy of the blockchain ledger is maintained by every participating node. This ensures data consistency and availability across the network. 3. Transparency. All authorized participants can view and verify transactions recorded on the blockchain. This increases trust and accountability. 4. Security through cryptography. Blockchain uses cryptographic algorithms to protect transaction data and verify identities. This makes unauthorized access and data tampering extremely difficult. 5. Immutability. Records cannot be altered easily. Once a transaction is recorded and confirmed, it cannot be modified or deleted easily. Any attempted change is immediately detectable. 6. Traceability. Every transaction is recorded with a complete history, making it easy to trace the origin and movement of assets or information. 7. Faster settlement. Blockchain enables near real-time transaction processing by reducing delays associated with manual verification and reconciliation. 8. Reduced dependence on intermediaries. Transactions can be executed directly between participants without relying on banks, brokers, or other third parties, reducing costs and processing time. Types of blockchain. 1. Public blockchain. Anyone can join, view, and participate in the network. Examples: Bitcoin, Ethereum. 2. Private blockchain. Access is restricted to authorized participants within an organization. Examples: Enterprise blockchain solutions. 3. Consortium or federated blockchain. Controlled by a group of organizations rather than a single entity. Examples are 3. Corda, Hyperledger Consortium networks. 4. Hybrid blockchain. Combines features of both public and private blockchains, allowing selective transparency and privacy. Advantages of blockchain are high security, transparency, tamper-resistant records, faster transactions, lower transaction costs, improved traceability, elimination of intermediaries, enhanced data integrity, and increased operational efficiency. Limitations of blockchain are high energy consumption, especially in proof-of-work systems, scalability challenges, regulatory uncertainty, limited transaction speed in some networks, high initial implementation cost, irreversible transactions, complexity of technology, and dependence on internet connectivity. Now we will discuss applications of blockchain in banking and finance. 1. Cross-border payments. Blockchain enables faster and lower-cost international money transfers by reducing the need for multiple intermediaries. Transactions can be settled within minutes instead of days. 2. Digital currencies. Blockchain serves as the underlying technology for cryptocurrencies and central bank digital currencies, CBDCs. It enables secure, transparent, and peer-to-peer digital transactions. 3. Trade finance. Blockchain digitizes trade documents and automates verification through smart contracts. This reduces paperwork, fraud, and processing time in international trade. 4. Loan processing. Blockchain securely stores borrower information and automates loan approvals using smart contracts. This improves transparency and speeds up the lending process. 5. Securities settlement. Blockchain enables faster transfer and settlement of shares, bonds, and other securities. It reduces settlement risk, operational costs, and dependence on intermediaries. Applications of blockchain in other areas are in supply chain management, product tracking, inventory management, counterfeit prevention, and logistics monitoring. In healthcare, electronic health records, medical data sharing, and drug traceability. In insurance, automated claims processing, fraud detection, and policy management. Our last topic for today is the future of blockchain. Blockchain is expected to transform industries by improving security, reducing operational costs, enhancing transparency, and enabling new business models. Its integration with technologies such as artificial intelligence, AI, Internet of Things, IoT, cloud computing, and decentralized finance, DeFi, is creating innovative solutions across sectors. As adoption increases and regulations mature, blockchain is likely to become a core component of the global digital economy. We can conclude that blockchain is a revolutionary technology that enables secure, transparent, and decentralized record-keeping without relying on a central authority. By combining cryptography, distributed ledgers, and consensus mechanisms, blockchain creates a trusted environment for recording and verifying transactions. Although it faces challenges such as scalability and regulatory issues, its applications in finance, healthcare, supply chains, government, and other industries make it one of the most significant technological innovations of the 21st century. With this, we come to the end of today's session. We hope you liked this video. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. On this channel, we regularly upload educational content on economics, finance, banking, insurance, financial crime, GST, income tax, accounting, financial management, and investment management in a simple and easy-to-understand manner. Please explore the channel for more topics as per your liking. In case you want a video to be created on any new topic, please write in the comment box. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that you receive notifications whenever we upload a new video. See you in the next video with another interesting and informative topic. Till then, bye and take care.